Welcome everyone to my new episode for PEPEcoin price prediction for late July 2024. We're actually running on a close to $2 billion volume. It is up by 31% in the last 7 days, and we're pretty much dominating the altcoin markets at this time, as usually Pepe, once things are moving, is making those huge steps that we like. Let's find out more on the price section and then talk about the other things. In the meantime, make sure to subscribe and like this video. This is a perspective that definitely represents a very important breakout we just succeed completing. Breakout was confirmed yesterday. We're looking for making sure that the confirmation will not get denied at this level, and out of the current retracement which might happen, as you can see there is a form of reversal here appearing, you're not going to fall back into the area of the price section below 1000, right? So this is the mark I have, folks. The 1000 sits here on the light blue line, which is the place I'm encircling right now. That's the 1000 mark. You don't want to fall below that, even though that might look a loss of the trending line you broke out. Simply, you might have just a wick into that area and the markets could fly above. It is totally different. The idea is quite simple. The transformation and adjustment of the trending line could end up like this, which means exactly a confirmation on the 1000 if we come that deep, which is why I told you, you got to play by the wick, you got to play by the body as well. One of those two ways the trending lines will actually react. Prior of testing, is never possible to be sure about which version does function, so you got to use both. That's the rule. Now, getting a reaction there or getting a reaction quicker on our demand zone located in 1100 is actually going to be amazing, because the target for July should be at least the golden pocket above, which is the major golden pocket, and that's a key level of the market, folks. So if we get that for Pepe, if we close above 1400 for Pepe, you are going to talk about the all-time high again in the upcoming period, and an eventual very strong altcoin season about to get started. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready for that. Currently, Pepe still has a lot of the room. It's pretty much not near a resistance point, not near of a support point. It's in the middle of nowhere. You see how the levels are pretty much built. It's reacting at this level because BTC reacts, because the altcoins are reacting, right? So it's not something that's getting pretty much dominated by Pepe. But at the same time, we know when a cryptocurrency did not hit its key levels and it's reacting in the middle of nowhere because of Bitcoin, it's pretty much needing to grab that liquidity later on, right? So the liquidity is not going to remain without being grabbed. For example, at 1300s, 1380s, and the 1400s with that golden pocket. Well, as soon as we get above that, break above that, and confirm that, if you do that in July, then the upcoming period is going to be massive for PEPEcoin, guys. So whatever movement do we get into the downside of the charts near to the 1000 mark will look like, especially if the 100 days moving average reacts, the light blue line as a great opportunity to trade. Beautiful. Enjoy, folks. Have a great time. And for those of you that care about the one-on-one coaching program, I do have it right here for, if you're serious about a space of trading, if you would like to trade correctly, whether we talk about part-time or full-time, you definitely want to learn how to do this intensively, one-on-one with me between 4 to 6 weeks. I do talk about it on a page, including the register now for a free conversation. Have a good time, looking forward to it. And then you also have the ability, if you don't want to trade, if you don't want to learn, then you have the ability to participate in my trading journey without any prior fees, just a commission from the pure profits made, totally done for you, totally outsourced. You can find out more about it, you can enjoy yourselves around it, and see all the details on the page. This is, the level I'm trading, the level I'm performing. We do have some of the trades running around here. For example, a $300,000 position in both Ethereum and BTC, P&L profit, unrealized. It's not closed, but it's running smoothly. Enjoy, guys. Have a great time. Like the video, subscribe, and we talk to you soon.